Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Remaxi Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 Honda Civic, a vehicle that is raising the bar yet again, blending style, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that makes it feel like a luxury sedan disguised as a compact car. The 2026 Civic brings forward a more refined design, an enhanced interior experience, and a suite of features that place it in a category of its own. Honda has reimagined what this iconic nameplate should stand for in the modern era, and it's clear they're aiming to provide drivers with something far beyond expectations. The exterior of the 2026 Civic shows off a bolder yet sleeker look. With redesigned LED headlights, a sharper front grille, and a streamlined silhouette, it brings a premium appearance that's typically seen in higher-end luxury vehicles. The body lines are more aerodynamic, and the presence of sport-inspired detailing gives it a sense of motion even when standing still. Depending on the trim, new wheel designs and color options add even more personality. The touring and sport trims, in particular, now come with an even more aggressive stance that turns heads with every drive. Honda has truly invested in form without sacrificing function. Step inside, and the interior is where the Civic really surprises. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, with soft-touch surfaces and optional leather-trimmed seating. The dashboard has been cleaned up, featuring a floating infotainment screen, either 9 or 12 inches depending on the model, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda's new voice assistant system allows natural speech commands for everything from navigation to climate control. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, giving drivers a futuristic cockpit feel. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof in select trims, and a re-engineered sound system make for a premium, relaxing atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic remains dynamic yet efficient. The base models are equipped with an improved 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine offering better fuel economy and smoother power delivery. For those craving a bit more excitement, the turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine provides a sporty yet refined ride with responsive acceleration. Honda has also announced an upcoming hybrid version that balances power and environmental consciousness. CVT remains standard, but paddle shifters are now available on upper trims, giving drivers more control when they want it. Improved suspension and chassis tuning make the ride more composed than ever, even on rough roads. Safety remains a core pillar of the Civic lineup. Honda Sensing now comes standard across all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring. New for 2026 is Honda's advanced driver attention monitoring system and enhanced traffic jam assist. These updates not only improve safety but also add a touch of semi-autonomous driving feel, especially useful in urban environments and long highway drives. Crash test ratings are expected to remain top-tier as in previous years, further reinforcing the Civic's reputation for reliability and protection. The 2026 Honda Civic isn't just a refresh, it's a complete redefinition. Honda has leaned heavily into customer feedback and industry trends to create a compact sedan that genuinely competes with luxury brands in terms of comfort, technology, and experience. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a first car, or something stylish and feature-packed without breaking the bank, this new Civic delivers. It's not just about getting from A to B anymore, it's about enjoying the journey, and the 2026 Civic makes that possible in a new, refined way. Stay tuned right here on Remaxi Car Reviews for more deep dives, comparisons, and the latest updates in the automotive world.